Hi, this is Chris Hartnell, and this is a run through a data collection tool which I've used in different guises for lots of different jobs, and it's been really helpful to me. I've listed out on this slide some of the benefits I think the tool has, and you can pause the video to have a look at that. But let's crack on and see what the tool does. So the first step is to prepare the data, and there's a project list data set which lists basic details about the projects. We collect the finance data from the finance system through Power Query or whatever means we've got, and then the forecast data from the previous cycle. We then go ahead and produce the files which are produced from a master template and populated from data from the project data, finance data, and forecast data. Produces them extremely quickly, and then the users go in and update the data in those files. We then go and retrieve the data in the files, and from that we can produce the management reports. We can then update the finance system with the latest forecast data, and the whole process starts again. So let's go ahead and create a suite of files. It says we're going to create 50, and that's correct. We've got 50 projects in our data set. And it produces the files at about 1 second, and through the magic of video editing, this is speeded up just a little bit. And there we go, it's done in 53 seconds, 50 files created, and it's done it in a specific date stamped folder. We're going to look at that. And there's file number 50. That's quite a lot of files in one folder. We'll see later in the management report we create hyperlinks to each of the files. But we can also save the files to individual named folders, say by manager name or by service name, and that makes it easier to find the relevant file. This is the template it's produced, and we'll just go in and update the cost by 100k to give a 200k variance. And one of the real strengths of this process is that the template can take any shape or form for any data collection need. So now we'll go in and collect all the data from the 50 files, and this is a really quick process. This takes 6 seconds to collect all the data from all those files. It gets put into the pivot table report, and here we can see the 200k variance appearing on that project. We can click on the hyperlink to take us back to the particular file. And then if we update the cost forecast by another 100,000, taking up to 300, we'll see the variance has increased by 100k. Go back and collect the data again. And a few seconds later we got it. Put it back into the pivot report. And there we can see the 300k variance and the 100k movement. If the users have finished updating the forecasts and the quality checks have been completed, the forecast data can then be loaded back into the finance system with a batch upload. Okay, that's a lightning quick tour through the model. Let's just have a quick recap. We prepared the data and created 50 files. We then went in and updated one of the files. We retrieved all the data from the files, produced the management report, went back into the file and updated it with a 100k increase. We retrieved the data again and refreshed the management report and updated the finance system with the latest data, and then the whole loop starts again. Hopefully that gives you an idea of what can be done with the tools sitting on your desktop. If you found it interesting or of use, please get in touch. Thanks for watching.